Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're gonna be fixing this Rearview mirror that just fell off. I have no idea what happened. So the first thing you want to do is to unplug this cord right here. You just press it and pull that off. Okay, and the next thing you want to do is to unscrew the screw. There's a screw at the back. You just take that screw off. It's gonna release the mounting button. Now you can pull the button off. And what you want to do is you want to grab like a very sharp like a knife, like a X-Acto knife, and scrape all the IEC for the back of it. Okay, make sure to get everything off. Okay, I did peel it off and I do a lot of scrape. Okay, you can also use like a sandpaper to sand it, but the scraping it will be, I think that will be fine. Okay, so you also have to do it on the here on the windshield. Okay, so you just have to take your time because I'm using like a X-Acto knife. I don't want to tamper with the black tape that is on it, so just go slowly. And I use the cloth, a wet cloth, to wipe it off, and I use this X-Acto knife slowly wipe my way, slowly scrape it, and I got everything off. And after that, you want to remember how to install it, how it goes, right? So you can see it is kind of rounded at the top, and at the bottom it's kind of square. So it's the same way. You're going to put it back the same way you remove it. So that's how it goes. So the IEC has to go on the button at the back where you remove the old IEC. So this is what we're going to be using. It's called Primatex. I got it at Canadian Tire. I think it was like $8. Okay. Okay. Right. So now we gotta open it. It comes with a little cleaner and with the IEC. So you just gotta open it. So you're gonna use this to clean the button. Okay. Yep. And only this side that you're gonna put the AEC on. You're gonna put a little bit also right here. And I did open the glue on the other side because I needed the more. They said you just need like a one drop, but I think I need a bigger drop because my rear view mirror is very heavy. So I was tempted to put two drops, but I just put one drop. And here is where you want to make sure everything lines up. You just gotta hold it there for like 1 minute. Okay, make sure it's in the right spot, the right place. Okay, so just hold it for like a minute, and after that you let it go and just leave it for like 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes you can come back, and first thing you want to do, you want to put back plug back, and now you just gotta slide it in just like that, and you tighten back your screw. Okay, and you're good to go. Now your rear view mirror, it's all good. This ISF is really strong, so I will highly recommend it. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Okay, and give me a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao.